Attention players. You will now compete for our biggest cash prize in reality show history.
You have got to be kidding me.
Oh my God.
$4.56 million. People do a whole lot worse for a whole lot less.